Hi everyone, my name is Jared Westover and welcome to my course, Capturing Logic with Stored Procedures in T-SQL. I'm a SQL architect and Microsoft Certified Solutions expert in data management and analytics. Most importantly, I love working with data. If you've worked in a database environment where ad hoc queries were the primary method of executing code, you know how problematic that can be. It's easy to run obsolete scripts, especially if you're working on a large team of developers. No one wants their email to be the primary source of truth when it comes to executing code. In this course, we're going to explore all the possibilities which exist for executing your queries using stored procedures. Having knowledge of SQL Server and prior experience writing queries will be helpful as you go through the course. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include the benefits of using stored procedures, incorporating input and output parameters, establishing a baseline for performance, and finally, methods for optimizing your stored procedures. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation to start creating and optimizing stored procedures. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into other SQL courses on overcoming parameter sniffing, advanced query tuning, and plan cache analysis. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn stored procedures with Capturing Logic with Stored Procedures in T-SQL course at Pluralsight.